Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we're going to be doing a love read for you. This is going to be how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect now, Gemini, in your love life. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Please take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Gems, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again today. And Gems, if you're new here, we welcome you to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. So Gems, for the reading, I'll be taking out two sides to this reading. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, I'll have your action cards. Okay, and if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Gemini, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Okay, and bottom of my deck, I have the Knight of Pentacles. So have things slowed down to some extent here, Gemini, in your love life? Let's keep this here. And from what I can see, my first look to how you guys are feeling is somebody is feeling devastated actually. On my left, somebody feels everything is over. The sun has gone down in this connection. They're feeling betrayed, feeling, like it's over. It's over. And on the other side, somebody is also not looking for a reconciliation at the moment, not feeling it's possible. Maybe just wants to keep it light and fluffy and maybe just friends with benefits. I don't know what's happening here, Gemini. This does seem to, there seems to be trouble here in this connection, that's for sure. Let me start with some dialogue message cards for you, see what's happening, and yeah, let's see what's happening here. Get the ball rolling a bit. Gemini and their person, if they could say something to each other, Spirit. Gemini and their person. Gemini and their person. Okay, Gems, let's begin. The first card I have for you says, sometimes I leave you so you know that you can be just fine without me. I think this is the person on the right who doesn't want to take responsibility, doesn't want to make this connection anything more than just a connection. So they're saying, sometimes I just leave you so that you stay in the habit of knowing that this is all there is, or you'll just be fine even if I'm not around you. You check all my boxes. How can that be possible? Which I think is the person on the left who doesn't want this chapter to end, and they're very upset and angry with their partner because they feel this is the perfect connection here. You're the most beautiful creature I have ever seen. I have a hard time focusing on you when I'm trying to build an empire. So person B must be saying, hey, you're beautiful and all that, and we have a friendship, but I have other things to do in my life, and you distract me. I keep reading our old text messages. I still have your pictures saved. I have commitment issues. See? So one person is still hoping and wishing here, the other person is saying, hey, don't rely on me for commitment or long term. So if this is sounding like your story here, Gemini, let's, I don't know which side you're on. You could be on my left or my right. I'm going to be reading two energies. And yeah, let's start with the angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading, and then these are two cards which I'll open later to see what action you guys will take towards each other if any. Okay, so my angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message, wise decision. It's time to make some decisions, Gemini, you or your partner, regarding this connection, because I do see two people are not on the same page. So let's see, let's start with the energies of person A. The Sun card, Spirit, and the Ten of Swords. Why are they feeling like that? One more. Somebody was dealing with a trickster. This card flipped and then it came sideways, and then I pushed it back again, but this was the Magician. So somebody, I think, feels they got tricked, or somebody was just trying to, not exactly tricked, I'm sorry, because this, even though this card was trying to turn sideways, it came, halfway upwards. So I feel maybe somebody was creating illusions, not entirely being a trickster, but yes, maybe making promises that they didn't want to keep or something like that, and not giving complete happiness to person A. Maybe just was around like a player, like this person has the same card as the person on the right, the Knight of Wands. Right? This is a person who is very inconsistent, who is basically a troublemaker in your life, who can be sometimes a bit of a player as well. Just creates illusions and never really gives you that full happiness that one would expect from a partner, right? They feel this person was very dictatorial, that I have been played, somebody took advantage of me or something like that, and it's making person A feel not very happy dealing with a person who actually never gave them what they expected. Ten of Swords, Spirit, in reverse. Yes, person A is feeling devastated. I think they had hopes and wishes of working together with person B. I think person A had a lot of love for person B as well. They had these dreams that one day, we'll be, happily in love and we'll build something together. But right now, person A is feeling absolutely devastated, because now they're realizing that their person has got one over them, and never made the decision to, join them in this path of love with them. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling like this now? Queen of Wands in reverse. Queen of Wands in reverse, Spirit. What happened in the recent past? Sun in reverse again. I think this Queen of Wands was unable to take any action. Maybe they were trying to think about their future or plan their future, but somebody just brought the tower down on them, and that's what led to this sunshine in their life to go down. Right? It made person A very, very upset and angry that all their, planning for the future, it wasn't there. It was a dream built on sand. And maybe they may have had a conversation with person B or something, that what about our future? And that's when the tower crumbled. The World in reverse, Spirit? Yes. World in reverse. They were dealing with somebody who, some secrets came out. Some secrets came out about a selfish person in their life who was only there for not the same reasons that person A wanted them to be, and probably they had to release this very toxic connection from their life, even though they didn't want to. The world is in reverse, right? So the person A did want to take action. They didn't want to close out this chapter, but certain secrets have been revealed now about their future plans, which maybe the selfish person said that, I'm not interested. World in reverse. As much as person A wanted to return back to person B, I don't think that plan went very well, and it's led them to feel a lot of regret and sorrow for all the wasted time. And no wonder person A is feeling that devastated now. So how does person A now view this connection, Spirit? Or this person? Uh, Person A views their partner as the king of swords in reverse. Very, very unemotional, very rude, very cold, and they feel they created, maybe there was a fight or there were some harsh, rude words which were said, and that was done in order to maybe shut this chapter, or they feel this chapter is shut after this big fight, and maybe the way their partner has behaved towards them. But somehow person A is still hoping and wishing that a choice will be made sooner than later. They're still hoping that their partner will see the light, and this confusion will end, and they'll realize that out of all their options, that person A is still the one. Person A is, I think, still hoping and wishing that they feel this connection is very strong. This person is still at limbo. He is still at crossroads, knowing that maybe a commitment is not being offered right now. They are very, very fearful that this connection will never happen, but it's not that they're wanting to move on, or they're still hoping. They're still standing here at crossroads, hoping that sooner or later their partner will see the light and maybe uncover some truths and come back to them, choose them. This is wishful thinking, I would say. So what action person A will take, I'll open later, Gemini. Let's go on to the other side and see what's happening. So person B has the Three of Cups in reverse. Three of Cups, Spirit, in reverse. Yes, I don't think person B is happy that, I don't think they really wanted to have an argument or a fight or anything. They're not happy that the happy times per se are over, and there's conflict between the two of you. They would like to, not fight or get over the conflict. That's only because they don't like to be stressed out. They don't like any conflict in their life. They want everybody to be happy, as long as they don't have to do anything. They're not happy with the fact that, you both are fighting. They want to end this conflict so that they can have peace of mind in their life. Knight of Wands, Spirit, in reverse. Knight of Wands. Yes, this person is a bit self-serving. They're a bit self-serving. They don't like the fact that, this natural flow of events which has been happening like maybe for weeks or months or years, that, they are happy. It's all they want is to be happy. They like their 9 cups. As long as we are friends and, we are both smiling and we are both enjoying each other, that's the way they like it. They don't want to take responsibility. They never have, they never will, at least till now. And they're upset about the fact that, that free flow of their energy has been stalled with this fight or argument. They just want to be stress-free. They want to always be in this 9 of Cups energy, where, without taking responsibility, I'm satisfied. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, that person B is feeling like this? Queen of Swords. I think their partner may have asked some harsh questions or some straight questions as to, are we ever going to transform this connection? Are you ever going to work on, building something for the future? There were some strong questions which were asked by this Queen of Swords, maybe to bring a transformation to the dynamic of this connection. And since then, I think communication stopped. 8 of Wands, Spirit. 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands. Yes, this made this Queen of Swords very, very upset, because I think the other person got very defensive here, and they stood their ground and maybe left this person A bit stranded or out in the cold, which made this Queen of Swords feel very upset and angry, absolutely devastated, upset, angry and bitter, because they felt, they had been waiting and watching for a very long time. Maybe this Queen of Swords had been, kind of keeping their hopes alive or waiting, watching that one day, one day, when I ask that question, the answer will be yes. But I think person B was a bit defensive and did not communicate to them the way they expected it to, or maybe there was harsh communication which didn't take this connection anywhere forward. So how does person now B see this connection, or person A? Knight of Cups in reverse. They feel if they communicate now to person A, they'll probably be rejected anyway, because they've in the past they've broken promises. They have never stepped up to the plate. They've never kept their, whatever they said they'll do, they never did that. So I think person B is now feeling, oh my God, if I want to now go back to person A, with what communication can I give? So I think they are hoping that person A will communicate to them instead. Four of Swords, Spirit. Yes, they are taking some time out. They're taking some time out because now they are feeling the lack of love from person A's side. They feel this person A has kind of, turned their back on them. And now person B is feeling, oh my God, this is totally backfired on me, because I was happy with the way things were. And now after whatever secrets have been revealed, or my unauthentic behavior, or my lies, or whatever's been caught, I've lost the love of a wonderful person who was full of love for me. They were the Empress here, right? And now they've covered their cup of love, and I'm getting none of it. So I think person B is now kind of taking some time out to think about what they've done. Am I right, Spirit? Person B. But now their emotions are kind of coming up back to the surface, and they really are thinking about the fact that maybe it's time now to take another love offer, an emotional offer to person A. But this is still coming in Knight energy. Knight of Cups is not the King of Cups. So they want to revive the romance between the two of you, which is something that they really miss. Okay, so let's see action, Spirit. What is the action person A will take towards person B now? 10 of Wands. Person A is feeling that, hey, I was the only one carrying all the entire responsibility of the connection. You were supposed to hold 5 wands. I was supposed to hold 5 wands, and then we could come together and share the responsibility. But here, what have I been doing? Taking on everything, and my back hurts now. I can't do this anymore. 10 of Wands, Spirit. 10 of Wands. Yes, they don't want to accept any offer. Now they are feeling rejected, dejected, that this hasn't kind of panned out, and they also feel that their person is very unemotional. What's the point of being in a connection where there is no emotional offers or emotional happiness? But I think now person B has some romantic feelings have stirred on person B's side now, but till now there has been none, and person A has kind of given up hope. They feel it hasn't come, and it's never going to come. And they have labeled their person almost like a narcissist, or a very unemotional person who is very logical and very tight with their feelings. So, and that this feeling, because person A is a very, very loving and kind person. They're showing up as the Queen of Cups and the Empress, right? So this person says, without emotions, I'm not interested. Person B, do you want to take any action now? 6 of Pentacles. All right. What's the 6 of Pentacles? Why is that an action, Spirit? One more. Okay. So now, here comes the King of Cups. Wasn't I just talking about the King of Cups, Gemini? Here he is. Okay, so this person B is saying, no, I'm not just the Knight of Cups. I'm also the King of Cups now. It's just that I've been feeling a little, I find it difficult to express my emotions. And that's why I hide behind that mask, right? But now I've realized what I've lost. I do want to come forward with an offer of equal give and take. I understand what you're saying about sharing responsibility, Nomkara Taro, and now I do want to have an equal balanced connection, 3 3 equals 6 kind of a thing, I mean, I will take on half the load. And they are getting more and more impatient each day because of the stagnancy which has happened between the two of you. They know that they've kind of tipped the balance of this connection, and that's the reason it's come to a halt. Now person B wants to now come back offering full stability. Now they want to show up as the King of Pentacles, the King of Cups, who is the spouse, the perfect partner, the person who will actually take full responsibility of their loved ones and take care of them and be seen as the provider and equal match to their partner. So this is the but I think there's some little bit of delay going on, and they're getting impatient by the day because they want to come forward now. And they really want to show person A that, yes, I can be this, I am this, and I do love you very, very, very much. And yes, I've realized I do have feelings for you. Since you've been gone, there has been nobody who's stirred me up the way you do. So yes, maybe at one time person B did have a lot of options, and they got a little egoistic or something, but now they've realized who their star is of their life, and since they've figured it out, this person hasn't slept either. They have been stressed out and very, very worried. I think they're making a wise decision to go back, because this Queen of Cups, Heart of Hearts, does love them as well. So let's see what happens. Make wise decisions for your life, Gemini. Life is precious and love is even more precious. So that's all I have for you. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.